Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. And boy, do we have an amazing show for you today. XRP gearing up for an explosive upward move. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, right now, we're all hearing a lot of chatter about this whole $2 billion target fine that the SEC wants to tag Ripple with. And of course, the fudsters are out like crazy to saying, oh, there you go. Well, that's going to just decimate them. They're not going anywhere. Well, guys, I want us to remember something. Hey, we have been listening to this for the last, 3+ years since this case have started. I mean, when it originally came out, they thought, that's it. XRP, Ripple, you're absolutely finished. And what happened, guys? Well, hey, XRP got declared to be not a security like what they were trying to say that it was a security. And then, of course, what happened? Well, of course, the SEC is going to appeal and all the FUD that came out then. And what happened then? Well, hey, the SEC lost their interlocutory appeal, didn't they? And of course, hey, they're going to really get Brad and Chris. And then, of course, they dropped those lawsuits. And guys, what we're hearing about today with this whole fine, I absolutely do not believe for a second that it is going to actually impede what's coming for XRP. Guys, in that last run, where XRP was sued by the SEC in December of 2020, and the price of XRP absolutely plummeted down to 17.48 cents. Get this, within 4 months, it was $1.97, a 1,200% move with the freshly minted SEC lawsuit against it and being delisted from every exchange here in the biggest free market economy. Save Uphold. And guys, I'm telling you, what I think's going to come next is going to blow people's minds and leave them absolutely gobsmacked. Now, guys, other people are thinking the same thing, and I want you to check this article out right over here. Just get a load of this. XRP price gearing up for explosive upward move. Now, despite recent modest gains, analysts predict a significant price surge for Ripple's XRP, with targets ranging from $1 to $6, bolstered by expectations of a bullish market cycle and upcoming Bitcoin halving. The outcome of Ripple's ongoing legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is also anticipated to influence the asset's price. And guys, do you really believe in all of those instances that I just mentioned there about Ripple versus the SEC and on and on? Everyone was saying, oh yeah, for sure this, for sure that. It did not happen. Do not let yourself get fudded out by somebody predicting a future that they have no idea of what really is going to come about. Nobody can tell you what the future holds, guys, but we have definitely got the past to look at, don't we? And if we've watched every single one of these market cycles, including the last one, XRP has just tinkered along like that, and then one day, pow, it has gone off on a moon shot. I do not believe that we are not going to see that this go around either. I think this one is going to be the biggest bull cycle this space has ever seen, and I absolutely believe that XRP is going to see major appreciation. That is my personal opinion. Now listen to this right here. Ripple's XRP has recently consolidated around the 62-63 cent range, witnessing smaller gains on a monthly scale than most leading cryptocurrencies. Numerous analysts, though, remain unfazed by this trend, predicting that the asset is on the verge of a price explosion. One example is the ex-user Mickey Bull Crypto, who argued that XRP has concluded its retest and is now preparing for an explosive upward move. According to the trader, the token's next target is in the range of $1 to $6. The financial expert and investor Vandal Ajara, who chipped in, and guys, we love Vandal. Vandal and Burson, absolutely amazing people in this community. He believes XRP holders should not part with their stash now, since we're at the onset of a bullish cycle, with the altcoin season yet to peak and the Bitcoin halving ahead. Understanding market cycles is essential for prudent investment decisions. We haven't even started. The peak will be from 2024 to 2025, he added. And guys, I would have confluence there. My personal opinion. The upcoming halving should take place in less than a month. The event occurs roughly every 4 years and slashes the reward received by miners for validating blocks. Now that's how Bitcoin is created. On the BTC blockchain in half. It is an integral part of Bitcoin's anti-inflationary or de-inflationary nature, and historically has been followed by a massive resurgence of the entire cryptocurrency market. Dark Defender and eGreg Crypto have also outlined bullish forecasts recently. The former thinks XRP could hit $1 next month due to overcoming previously depicted resistance levels, while the latter predicted the valuation might rise to $1.40 in following weeks. The outcome of the trial between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, scheduled for April 23rd, may impact the price of the cryptocurrency. Recall that XRP skyrocketed by 70% when the company secured its first partial court victory last year. Guys, I absolutely believe we are right there on the precipice of a massive moonshot, and most people are gonna miss it. That is my personal belief. I absolutely believe it. Now, guys, something else. Just check this out right here. HSBC launches gold tokenized products. Ripple Alliance excites the XRP community. Listen to this. HSBC, a leading global financial institution, has launched a groundbreaking initiative, becoming the first bank to introduce a blockchain-based tokenized gold product aimed at retail investors in Hong Kong. Listen to this. We are proud that HSBC Gold Token, powered by HSBC Orion, is the first retail product in Hong Kong that is based on distributed ledger technology, as authorized by the Securities and Futures Commission, said HSBC Hong Kong head of wealth and personal banking, Maggie Ng, in a statement. The innovative offering, dubbed the HSBC Gold Token, is now accessible through HSBC Online Banking and HSBC HK mobile app, leveraging its proprietary Orion digital assets platform. HSBC is at the forefront of integrating real-world assets with cutting-edge blockchain technology for the everyday investor. Guys, we are witnessing the tokenization of real-world assets in a massive, massive way. And HSBC, by the way, is a major Ripple partner. Don't discount what you are witnessing with your own eyes. The future of this space is literally coming out right front and center. And the XRP ledger is one of those ecosystems, probably the primary one, where you can tokenize any real world asset on it. The future is on the way, guys. Do not put your head in the sand and miss it. That is for sure. Now listen to this. HSBC takes a giant leap in fintech with the new gold token in Hong Kong, powered by blockchain, teaming up, get this, with Ripple's Mataco for a fusion of classic banking and cutting-edge tech. Ripple's influence shines in this pioneering venture. And guys, tokenization, the process of converting real-world assets into digital tokens on a blockchain, is increasingly being adopted by banks and financial institutions. These entities are utilizing both private ledgers and public networks such as Ethereum to bring a diverse range of assets to the digital realm. And of course, guys, they're absolutely utilizing the XRP ledger, doing the very same thing. You got it right there. Ripple's Mataco is being right there as a custody platform out there for HSBC in their gold. Now, the HSBC Gold Token Initiative follows this emerging trend, representing a significant step towards the bank's digital asset strategy. The move to tokenize gold highlights HSBC's commitment to innovation and its ambition to lead the digital asset space. Announced in November of the previous year, the tokenized gold offering is part of HSBC's broader digital asset custody platform. This platform was developed in collaboration, guys, with Mataco, a Swiss-based company specializing in crypto custody solutions. The collaboration underscores HSBC's dedication to ensure secure and efficient management of digital assets for its clients. Maggie Ng, HSBC's Hong Kong head of wealth and personal banking, expressed pride in the launch of the HSBC Gold Token. She emphasized that it's the first retail product in Hong Kong based on distributed ledger technology to receive authorization from the Securities and Futures Commission. Now, this endorsement not only validates the product's compliance with regulatory standards, but it also marks a significant milestone in the adoption of blockchain technology in the financial services industry. Guys, it is happening in real time. We are absolutely witnessing it. And don't kid yourself. When you think of XRP and the XRP ledger and these networks and the relationships that are being made between Ripple, HSBC, and all that's going on, we are going to see some major changes happen in the wide world. And I absolutely believe that XRP is going to be at the forefront and the XRP ledger of a lot of the adoption and change that is on the waves. Now, guys, something to poke some fun at. We have just got to do it. Max Keiser is out there, and listen to what he's saying. Max Keiser backs the SEC in the Coinbase lawsuit labeled altcoins as security. Max Keiser, backs Securities and Exchange Commission on altcoins as securities. Court rules on the Coinbase lawsuit. He's a prominent Bitcoin advocate. He's an absolute Bitcoin maxi to the nth degree. And everybody knows in this space that this guy is off the chain, literally. And he's recently expressed his agreement with the SEC stance on cryptocurrencies, excluding, of course, Bitcoin. He stressed that all altcoins, including Ethereum and Ripple XRP, are unregistered securities. Oh, really? Well, Max, sorry to say, when you were piping that tune all the way through that lawsuit, hey, Judge Annalisa Torres came out and gave XRP the clarity that only XRP has in the entirety of this digital asset space in the United States, that on secondary exchanges, it does not represent a security. Even Bitcoin doesn't have that kind of adjudication behind it. Now, this statement came after the court dismissed Bitcoin's request to throw out an SEC lawsuit against the company. Nonetheless, get this, the court ruled that the Coinbase wallet should be dismissed from the legal challenge of the SEC. Come on, guys. We're watching, like I said in Copy Chat this morning, a total dog and pony show. Now, launched by the SEC last summer, the lawsuit against Coinbase has accused the company of helping in the trading of unregistered securities. Guys, that is rich for the SEC, considering all that Coinbase had to do pre-IPO to convince the SEC of absolutely allowing it and authorizing that initial purchase offer, right? The IPO, what do? They wait, 6 months after the IPO and everyone's pummeled in to slap them with a lawsuit that they're out there trading unregistered securities? Think about it. Coinbase went and gave them their business model, what they were trading on their platform, on and on and on. The SEC said nothing and approved the IPO. We are just watching sheer theater, in my opinion. I'll tell you what. Now, The continuing legal fight of the SEC Coinbase lawsuit underlines the complicated regulatory environment of cryptocurrencies in the USA. However, even though the court recently ruled in favor of Coinbase as it deleted the wallet from the Coinbase lawsuit, the issue still needs to be resolved. Keiser's remarks underline how divided the crypto community is with respect to the nature and regulatory reception of altcoins as opposed to Bitcoin. Well, guys, I'll tell you what. Max Keiser, this guy, you have got to look him up on YouTube and watch some of these tantrums this guy has had. He is absolutely off the chain. He is completely blinded. Now, what they basically assert, Keiser and Bitcoin maximalists such as Samson Mao assert that Ethereum is centralized and hence is classified as a security rather than a commodity. Now, if you don't think that Bitcoin is centralized, they have got to I'm telling you, they have they're off the chain. Why would I believe Bitcoin is centralized, guys? Look who owns it. The majority of all Bitcoin is owned by Wall Street right now. Now, you think of the white paper written by supposedly one Satoshi Nakamoto. Now, we all think it's about 4 because of what information has come out. But needless to say, what did the white paper say? Hey, the white paper was talking about Bitcoin having an alternative market than all these big banksters, wasn't it? Guys, they literally have just gotten right underneath the covers with all these bankers with the Bitcoin ETF that's going on. It is absolutely front and center. And if it wasn't centralized before, well, it sure is now, guys, because they control it. They control the majority holdings of all Bitcoin that has ever been created and more than likely that it ever will be created. And if that's not centralized, I genuinely don't know what is. And of course, that's the accusations they slap against Ripple with XRP. Oh, Ripple holds so much. How can it be centralized? Well, guys, the big bankers hold Bitcoin so much. How can it be centralized? I guess you can't have your cake and eat it too, can you, Max? Unbelievable. But this is what we're doing, guys. This is the kind of FUD that always comes out. Now, last go around, Max Keiser was out there, and what was he saying? Oh my goodness, absolutely, for certain, XRP is going to get designated as a security. Did it happen? No, guys, it didn't happen. Oh my goodness, absolutely for sure. SEC is going to trounce Ripple in their interlocutory appeal. Did it happen? Nope, didn't happen. Max Keiser's out there saying Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson should have their feet roasted over an open flame. Did it happen? Nope, SEC dropped that as well. Now Max Keiser's out there saying, yep, absolute security. They need to get that $2 billion fine. Do you think it's going to happen? Hey, tell you what, I sure don't, that's for sure. But boy, Max Keiser, he might have to up his medication, I think. I don't know. Anyway, that's just, hey, taking a little slap back. Guys, it is crazy when you see all these Bitcoin maxis go the way in which they do. When I take a look at what's going on in the wide world and you see stuff like this right now where this distributed ledger technology is revolutionizing the way the world is even going to work with the tokenization of real world assets. And guys, we are absolutely seeing a lot of confluence, and a lot of these TA guys are saying, hey, history doesn't repeat, but boy, does it rhyme. And it is singing a similar song, a very familiar tune that we heard back there in 2017. And guys, I'll tell you what, when they literally let the dogs out and this party starts, you're going to see us dancing all the way around that winner's circle. And boy, do I ever want to see you there. So guys, one thing I can tell you from personal experience is you are going to thank yourself that you took the time to get your plan in place. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com, and we'll get you all booked in. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe, and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.